Today we are making natural collagen with 5 ingredients. Here you can see the finished product, an easy to apply cream for healthy and vibrant skin. Pour 1.5 cups of water into a bowl. Take an orange and put it in a bowl too. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to clean the orange. Rub the orange with the baking soda and give it a good wash. Take the orange out and dry it really well. Now you need to grate the peel. This is the size you want to use. Now we start grating. Careful not to hurt your fingers. Now you want to take the grated peel and put it in a small jar. Yes, put it aside for a moment and take a carrot. Peel the carrot like this. The peel we won't need this time, it's the carrot we want. You grate half of the carrot, like this. Let's add it to the jar. And next take 4 bay leaves and tear them into pieces. Add the pieces to the jar. And here comes the 4th ingredient, it's virgin coconut oil. So put 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in the jar. And last but not least, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. It goes in the jar with the other ingredients. Now put a towel in the pot, put the jar in the pot and pour some water. And you want to heat it until the coconut oil melts. You can stir it a little like this. And the next step is to separate the liquid using a strainer, because it's the liquid we want to keep. Now let it cool until it becomes solid again. I'm gonna put it in the fridge to make this process go faster. And once it's solid, you can start using it. For best results, apply twice a day. It's perfect for your daily skincare routine. It reduces wrinkles and it provides a vibrant skin. And this homemade goodness also does wonders for dry and chapped hands. Enjoy!